This is one of those chicken recipes my family asks for again and again. Let me show you how to make it in 20 minutes. Before we get started, there's one thing I always do when cooking chicken thighs. Slice each chicken thigh about 1 inch apart without cutting all the way through. It helps the chicken to cook more evenly and a little faster, which is perfect for a quick weeknight meal. Season both sides with salt and 5-spice powder. Lightly coat the chicken with cornstarch on both sides. The light coating creates a golden crust while keeping the chicken juicy. You can also replace it with potato starch or sweet potato starch. In a pan over medium-high heat, add oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado or peanut. Place the chicken skin side down. Pan fry for about 6 minutes. Flip and cook for another 6 minutes until golden brown. At this point, the chicken already looks beautiful, but we're not done yet. The sauce is what brings everything together. Remove and set aside. Over medium heat, add chicken stock, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine, honey, 5-spice powder, garlic, and ginger. If you have never cooked with 5-spice powder before, a little goes a long way. It adds a warm aromatic flavor that makes it so delicious. Mix well and bring it to a simmer. Return the chicken and coat the chicken with the sauce. This is the moment my family waits for. The sauce becomes rich, glossy, and packed with flavor. Every time I make this, there's never any left over. Cook until the chicken's internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Tender chicken and plenty of flavor in every bite. Have you ever cooked with 5-spice powder before? Let me know in the comments. If you also want to make easy char siu chicken, check out the video right here. Follow for more, and for more foolproof recipes, check out my cookbook. Thank you so much for watching.